An Israeli strike leveled this building near one of Beirut's busiest traffic junctions on Friday. It happened in the Hezbollah-controlled southern suburbs in the Lebanese capital. Israel has stepped up its bombardment of the area this week. But as that unfolds, there are signs of movement in U.S.-led diplomacy aiming to end the conflict. On Thursday, the U.S. ambassador to Lebanon handed over a draft ceasefire proposal to Lebanon's parliament speaker, Nabi Berri, two sources told Reuters. Hezbollah has endorsed Berri to negotiate. The group is armed and financed by Iran, and Berri met with senior Iranian official Ali Larijani on Friday. We are not looking to sabotage anything. We are after a solution to the problems, Larijani said, a sign that Tehran is keen to see the conflict end. On the Israeli side, the Washington Post reported that Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is rushing to advance a ceasefire, the aim being to deliver an early foreign policy win to President-elect Donald Trump. He's expected to be strongly pro-Israel. Israel launched its offensive against Hezbollah after almost a year of cross-border hostilities ignited by the Gaza war. Hezbollah has kept up rocket attacks into Israel, and its fighters have been battling Israeli troops. Israel's campaign has forced more than 1 million people to flee their homes in Lebanon and has ignited a humanitarian crisis.
نحمي الجميع.
يلا لانه هذا هي اخر لوكيشن اعطانا اياه. يلا باي باي. ميادين هون. يلا لانه هذا هي اخر لوكيشن اعطانا اياه. يلا باي باي.